We've just finished making peanut butter, so now we're going to go over how to clean the Instant Ace Plus blender. The pitcher and base of the Instant Ace Plus blender are not dishwasher safe. We'll start by rinsing out the pitcher of the blender, being careful not to get the base wet. The base and blade assembly are not removable. If you happen to get the base wet, allow it to dry completely before returning it to the Instant Ace Plus blender. Once we've rinsed the pitcher, we'll fill it with about 4 cups of water and add just a drop of dish soap, and return it to the Instant Ace Plus blender to run the clean function. The clean function should remove most superficial food stuck to the pitcher and blades. If you need to deep clean your blender, omit the soap and use 1 cup each of water and vinegar, and use the soup function until the liquid begins to boil. Then, run the clean function as normal. The cleaning function will run for 48 seconds. Once set, click Start. A series of 10 beeps will sound and the Instant Ace Plus blender will say End to notify you that the program has finished running. Once the cleaning program has finished, we'll remove the lid from the pitcher, empty its contents, and rinse and wipe it out. If any material remains around the blades, we'll use the included cleaning brush to brush it off. You may need to rinse the pitcher several times. Once the pitcher is clean, we'll dry it off and return it to the Instant Ace Plus blender. The lid, tamper, straining bag, and cleaning brush are all dishwasher safe. So we'll just rinse and wipe these off before putting them in the dishwasher. Overall, I find it more difficult to clean the Instant Ace Plus blender than a traditional blender because I cannot remove the pitcher from the base or blades, and the pitcher is not dishwasher safe. However, the additional functionality of the blender more than makes up for this. As the last video in our Instant Ace Plus blender review series, I'll give my overall opinion of the product. Despite the inconvenience of being difficult to clean, we've used this to make soups directly in the blender, tested it for mixed drinks, and made rice milk and peanut butter in it. The pros of this blender outweigh the cons, at least for me, and I think it would be a good addition to any kitchen. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.